Happy birthday, Ma!
May
you have many more birthdays to come. Love you.
I love you. Bye-bye.
Hi Mama, happy birthday, more birthdays to come. Enjoy your day, I love you, and see you. Amping kanunay. I'm gonna say happy birthday to my loving mom. My love, my mother. I miss her. I miss you, Mom. Happy birthday. I wish you happiness in this birthday. I wish you good health. Mayong paglawas. O puhon pa na nga magkita ta. I miss you so much. Happy birthday, Ma. Amping permi. Tagan kapag taas na kinabuhi sa Ginoo. O I hope we will see you soon. Puhon padangaton magkita ta. Amping perme ayaw sige kaog kaanha tanang baboy nga tambok kay maka high blood na. Love you, Ma. Happy birthday ni Papa ug ikaw, happy birthday. Amping mo perme. Happy 87th birthday, Ma. Love you. Amping.
Happy birthday, Lola. More birthdays to come. Always. Moro to eh?
I love you.
Happy birthday, Lola Marcosa! We love you!
Yes, Lola, praying for long, satisfying life sa'yo, mahaba pa pong buhay, at good health always. We love you and we miss you so much. I love you.
Love you.
Lola.
Lola.
Lola. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Papa in heaven. And happy birthday, Mama. Lagi kayo mag-ingat yan. At huwag kayo laging ingat-ingat lang kayo, Ma. See you again.
Ma,
Ma.
darating ako dyan. Kakita naman sa'yo, ha? Anniversary ni Papa. Saka, happy birthday, Ma. Happy birthday. Love you.